Hi students, how are you all? You all are very welcome in standard 6. Dear student, today we are going to understand our poem number 1. The name of the poem is Don't Give Up. Yes, see, I know you all are happy to promote in standard 6. Yes, and this is our English subject, and I know that you all like English very much. Dear student, to know the English, to understand English, you have to listen English words carefully. Yes, you have to pronounce the words carefully, and you have to learn the different words. You have to increase your vocabulary. Yes, now let's start with the poem number 1. I'll read this poem for you, then we will explain it stanza by stanza. Yes, if you have tried and have not owned, never stop for crying. All that's great and good is done just by patience trying. Though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. See, if by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. Very nice poem they have given here, dear student, and it is very much important for you in your brighter future. See, how you will get elder, you will be having so many difficulties in your life, but whenever you will get difficulties in your life, you don't have to give up your life there. You have to try hard to get success in your life. The message which is given by this poem is that. Yes, let's start with the poem. If you have tried and have not owned, never stop for crying. First line is telling you have tried for something and you have not owned anything. Never stop for crying. You don't cry, you don't stop your work there. You have to try hard to get your success. All that great and good is done just by patient trying. See, you have done the great work, good work, and we can understand that you have patience and you have to keep patience to get success in your life. Don't be hurry. In hurry we don't get anything, and if you get anything in hurry, it will not last long. It will finish very early. So the things you are getting after a long time, these things are lasting for a long time. Yes, though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger. Here, very nice example they have given about a bird. Dear students, have you seen a small bird? Yes, if you have seen the small bird cannot go high in the sky. Yes, because the strongness doesn't come to it that much. The elder birds can go high up in the sky, and some of the times birds they fall down, they don't go higher in the sky. So many times they fall. Yes, but how many times they fall down, they are making their wings stronger. Yes, the wings they have, however whenever they are falling down, they are making their wing stronger and stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. And again when they are flying high in the sky, they are flying little longer, means they are going little long. How much is their success? More than that, they are going high in the sky. Yes, why is it so? Because they had fall so many times. Because of that, they got the stronger. Yes, and because of this strongness, they are going high up in the sky. though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed her. See here, sturdy oak they have given here. Oak is the name of the tree which we can get in the area. See, in this area there are so many storms. Yes, and this oak tree, because of the storm, it was bowed so many times. It's no, it was about to fail. It bowed so many times. It blast means so many difficulties this oak trees got when it was there. Yes, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. Loftier means no, very high, very strong. Yes, even though this oak tree got so many storms, its bowed so many down, came down for so many times, got so many difficulties in the life, then also it risen very loftier and prouder. It grew high up in the sky, and it was the prouder and the stronger. Let's go to the next. Now here, if by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? See, if by easy work you beat, if you get easy something, who the more will prize you? Yes, gaining victory from defeat, that's test that tries you. See, you may get anything easily. For the easy things, you may get the prize. But the things when you are getting after defeating means getting lose. After losing so many times, whenever you are trying you are achieve, whenever you are achieving something, and whenever you are achieving your success, that means to get success in your life you have tried better. Yes, this line is staying last. That is the test. It is the test means that you have tried to get something, to achieve something in your life. That is very much easy poem. See, Phoebe Carey has written for you. Yes, I hope you may have understood this poem. Just some pictures are given here, dear student. See, the boy he is playing the chess. The girl she is dancing means she is trying. That girl she is cycling, she riding the bicycle. He is also jumping, he is also trying for something, and he is also having, he is achieved, he is trying for get something. These are the pictures are very much positive, and these pictures will help you in your life. See, you are getting less marks in the exam, it doesn't mean that you have not got success in your life. You can try hard to get more marks, to better marks in the next exam. Yes, trying it is in your hand. Yes, dear students, this poem is very much easy. In the next video I will give you question and answers. Thank you.